corners too. A circle spins like hula hoops do. Q-U-A-R-E, square, four straight sides, all the same. Four corners, sharp and neat. A square is strong and super sweet. Q-U-A-R-E, square, four straight sides, all the same. Four corners, sharp and neat. A square is strong and super sweet. Triangle, triangle, three sharp corners, three straight sides. Like a slice of pizza pie, a triangle points up to the sky. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle, to all sides and to our shore. It's shaped just like a big front door. Open wide and walk on through. A rectangle works for me and you. S-T-A-R, star, shining bright from up so far. 5 points glowing in the night. Stars make everything feel right. H-E-A-R-T, heart, a shape that's full of love and art. Boats on top, a point below. Hearts are how we let love show. Circle, square, triangle too. Star and heart, rectangle too. Now you know your shape so well. Sing it again and learn to spell.